In this video, we'll walk you through the process of designing and customizing your Matter workflows. By creating a step-by-step process that mirrors your legal procedures, you can streamline your workflow management. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Matter settings. From there, you can add and manage your workflows. If no workflows are selected, a default workflow will be used. To create a new workflow, click the plus sign next to Manage Workflows. Specify the workflow name, indicate whether it's applicable to corporate matters or litigation cases, and choose the relevant practice areas. Once you've added the new workflow, it's essential to assign statuses to it. You can select from predefined statuses or create new ones on the fly. When adding a new status, provide details such as its name, category, and type. Statuses should fall under one of four main categories: open, in progress, done, or cancelled. Keep in mind that statuses can also be global or transitional. Transitional statuses allow you to customize your workflow based on different transitional steps, including transition screens, notifications, and permissions. For easy reference, all workflow statuses are listed on a separate page accessible via the Workflow Statuses hyperlink at the top of the page. Here, you can add, edit, or delete statuses and track their types and categories. Once your new workflow is in place, you can manage and customize it further. Specify the starting point status and create transitions between transitional statuses. The system will automatically assign workflows to matters or cases that meet the criteria defined in the workflow. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.